Hey, this is Steve from Perfect Tux along with Natasha.
Hello.
And we are rating those prom looks. We found our top 5 of our favorite customers from previous proms, and we wanted to share those with you and just show you these amazing looks and how they put everything together. So let's check out this first one. Ooh, I like this.
I love this blue. It looks so elegant. And this is actually velvet.
Yeah.
This is a velvet tuxedo. I love the black lapel. I love the richness. It looks youthful. I think it's perfect for prom. That cobalt blue, it's bright.
What do you think about him matching it with the black shirt?
I love it. I mean, you could actually do this with black or white, but I think the black shirt is perfect. I think the bow tie makes it stand out. When you're gonna take off the jacket,
right.
So you still have that pop of blue there. I think it's hitting him at the right spot. The length of the sleeve. You can see a little bit of that black shirt coming out at the bottom. I think they definitely nailed this. And not only that, the date looks beautiful as well, but it's not like, he doesn't look just as good.
Right.
You know what I'm saying?
Right.
Like, I think they complement each other so well. So I would give this A+.
Yes. We all about the guys matching the girls' swag and style. And that's what they did here at Perfect Tux, okay?
Yeah.
All right, let's go to this next one. Oh, okay. Another swag down one. I see the red bottoms. I definitely see the red bottoms. So actually, this was actually cool because he's actually pairing it with some sneakers.
Yeah.
A lot of people think you gotta wear tuxedo shoes or something like that, but it's like you can really let your personality shine on some of these looks.
What I love about this too is that he's wearing a turtleneck. So you don't have to do a dress shirt, but he's pairing it with a turtleneck and the necklace. I think it just sets this look off perfectly.
Yeah, totally. I mean, I'm wondering what the date was looking like, but I'm sure she was probably wearing red, I'm assuming. But no, he was, or he went by himself. Some people go by themselves to prom. Ain't nothing wrong with that. But no, what's that, a Corvette or something? I'm not sure what type of car
I have no idea. But I would give this like an A+.
All right, got an A+. Another Perfect Tux customer.
Yeah.
Styling it out. All right, let's get this next one. Let's get this next look. Let's see what you think about this one. Oh, okay. Now this is kind of timeless and classic, at least in my opinion. I feel like he just really, again, this is another example of a turtleneck and the chain look.
Yeah.
I mean, that's dope.
What's nice about this is that you don't always have to wear tuxedos to prom. I mean, this is something that you could wear to many different, or on many different occasions. So yeah, I think he did. This looks really good. You can see the shirt coming down from the bottom of the sleeve. He's pairing this also with sneakers. So I think this is a A+.
Yeah, and I think just along the lines of like, if you do go a suit route, because this is a suit, kids, you could also wear this right again for graduation or your first job interview. You can get some multiple purposes out this stuff. So, but this is just perfect, and that's a suit color that needs to be in a young man's closet. Right. It's very versatile.
And different color shirts. I mean, blue, lavender.
Yeah.
Just a bunch of different ways.
And they got some clean whips they next to too. That's another. I mean, I don't know what that is, but that's clean too.
Yeah.
All right, let's hit this next one up. Oh, that's the pattern. I like the pattern, the tone-on-tone pattern. What's that, like paisley? Yeah, it was like paisley.
And then here we go again with another turtleneck. I mean, turtlenecks must be in.
Yeah, and you gotta have them chains though. If you go do the turtleneck, you gotta have the chain.
Yeah.
You gotta have the chain.
But I think this is a really beautiful look. I love the paisley on it. I love the shape of the lapel.
That's a different lapel too. Like, it's not all the way totally rounded. It was kind of really unique how it kind of like cuts down towards the button.
Yeah.
So that was like really a unique style there.
Yeah. This one was, I like this look. I love the burgundy against the skin tone. A+ for me.
Yeah. All right, so let's see that next one. Oh, okay. Very, very classic, very timeless.
I love this. And this is M288. That's the style number of this. This is a 4-piece satin tuxedo. I love the satin look to it. It's not too flashy. It gives you just enough of something you know, to make you stand out. Like, it's not just your traditional tuxedo.
Yeah, and it's like with the satin, like that's the shiny part of the material. A lot of times you just see the satin on the lapel or satin on the stripe of the pants. But for this look, it's all satin. Like the pants are satin, the jacket, the vest, and yeah, it really pops.
And you know what's interesting about? I like the way he dressed this up. He did actually a floral printed shirt. Now, we don't actually sell the floral printed shirt, but I think this is a nice touch. If you look on the inside in the lining of this particular tuxedo, you're gonna see it has a beautiful floral print, just to give you just a little something extra. So definitely, I would say I'll give this one an A.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, that's 5 out of 5. That was straight killing it, okay? Please, customers, if you ever buy from us, tag us in your photos, send them to us. We would love to shout you out and just show how much you're styling at prom, okay? So prom 2025, we are here.